The 2026 Yamaha XT1300Z Super Ténéré is designed for riders who demand power, durability, and the freedom to explore without limits. Built on Yamaha's legacy of endurance machines, the Super Ténéré combines high-displacement performance with advanced rider-focused technology. Acer Showroom takes a closer look at why this motorcycle stands at the top of the adventure touring segment. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XT1300Z is a newly engineered 1300cc parallel twin engine, tuned for maximum torque at low and mid-range revs. This powerhouse delivers smooth acceleration whether riding on highways or remote trails. Liquid cooling, ride-by-wire throttle, and Yamaha's cross-plane crankshaft ensure a balanced blend of efficiency and raw strength. The result is a machine capable of conquering long-distance rides with confidence and control, advanced suspension and handling. Adventure touring demands versatility, and Yamaha has equipped the 2026 XT1300Z with premium adjustable suspension. Long travel forks at the front and a robust monoshock at the rear offer superb stability over rough terrain. Combined with a lightweight yet durable chassis, the Super Ténéré provides agility on tight trails and stability at high cruising speeds. At Acer Showroom, this balance of comfort and control is highlighted as one of the motorcycle's greatest strengths: technology that empowers the rider. Yamaha has integrated advanced technology into the XT1300Z to enhance every journey. A full-color TFT display provides real-time ride data. Customizable ride modes allow riders to adapt power delivery to any condition, and traction control ensures safety on wet or loose surfaces. Features like cornering ABS and adaptive cruise control make long-distance touring safer and more enjoyable. The Acer Showroom review emphasizes how these systems work seamlessly without overwhelming the rider. Comfort for endless journeys. Adventure touring is not only about power, it's about endurance. The 2026 Super Ténéré features an ergonomically designed seat, optimized windscreen aerodynamics, and heated grips for year-round comfort. Yamaha has engineered this motorcycle for extended rides, ensuring that both rider and passenger remain comfortable during long hours on the road. With its spacious luggage system and practical design, the XT1300Z is built to carry riders and their gear across continents. Rugged design and durability. The Super Ténéré has always been known for reliability, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. From reinforced crash bars to high ground clearance, every detail is crafted for durability. Its muscular bodywork and LED lighting provide not only toughness, but also a modern, aggressive look. At Acer Showroom, the styling and rugged build are highlighted as proof of Yamaha's commitment to adventure-ready engineering. Adventure without limits. The Yamaha XT1300Z Super Ténéré is not just a motorcycle, it's a long-distance partner. With a large-capacity fuel tank, efficient engine management, and lightweight design, riders can cover more ground with fewer stops. Whether crossing deserts, climbing mountains, or touring open highways, this machine is prepared for every challenge. The 2026 Yamaha XT1300Z Super Ténéré redefines what an adventure motorcycle should be. It is powerful, reliable, and packed with technology that inspires confidence in every ride. At Acer Showroom, it stands as one of the most complete adventure touring bikes of its generation, offering unmatched freedom and capability for riders around the world.